Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the thing you thought was helping you was actually holding you back. Imagine discovering that every swipe, every impulse purchase, every minimum payment has quietly been stealing your future. Financial literacy is not just information. It is freedom. And every single video you watch, every lesson you learn, brings you one step closer to breaking the cycle and building a life where money works for you. If you want to transform your financial life, subscribe right now, turn on the bell icon, and join thousands of people who are rewriting their money story. Your change begins today. Let me ask you a question. Why do credit cards feel so light, but end up becoming the heaviest burden in our financial life? Why do we keep paying and still feel like the balance never moves? Most people believe credit card debt is simply what you owe. But the truth is far deeper, far more strategic, and far more dangerous than it appears. Because credit card debt doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows in layers, it grows in loops. It grows silently when you aren't even looking. Today, I'm going to show you the exact mechanism that keeps millions of people trapped, even those who earn good money. You may think this isn't about you, but the shocking part is that everyone who falls into this trap thinks the same thing. I'll pay it off next month. I can manage this. For many people, temporary becomes years. And years become a lifetime of financial stress that could have been prevented with just a little understanding. So stay with me, because once you learn how credit card debt works under the surface, you will never use your card the same way again. And if this feels like it's describing your exact situation, you are not alone. You are not a failure. You are simply playing a financial game without knowing the rules. But from today, that ends. Most people believe credit card debt is simple. You spend money, you pay it back. In reality, a credit card is a contract with one purpose: to make you spend more than you would normally spend. It starts with the line of credit illusion. Your credit limit feels like money you own, but it's money you owe the moment you use it. Then there are minimum payments. They look like the bank is being kind, but they are one of the most profitable business strategies ever created. Minimum payments don't reduce your debt. They only reduce your guilt. And finally, compound interest. Credit card interest is calculated daily, not yearly. Your debt doesn't grow once a year. It grows 365 times per year. This is why people say, I paid for months, but the balance barely changed. Your payment is fighting against daily compounding. So why is credit card debt more dangerous than any other debt? First, it encourages emotional spending. Swiping takes 2 seconds, but paying it back takes months or years. Second, there's no asset behind it. A home loan gives you a house, but credit card debt usually just gives you things that lose value instantly. Third, you repaying 35% to 48% interest, while your savings account might pay you 4% to 12%. Your debt is growing 3 to 8 times faster than your wealth. And this creates stress that affects your sleep, your relationships, and your mental health. Now, here's the part that brings hope. No matter how deep you feel you are, there's always a way out. Step 1. Stop using the card immediately. You can't escape from a boat that's still leaking. Step 2. List all your balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Seeing the numbers clearly reduces fear. Step 3. Use the avalanche method. Pay the minimum on all cards, but put every extra rupee on the card with the highest interest rate. This saves you the most money. Step 4. Look for zero-cost payment plans or balance transfers to stop the interest from growing. Step 5. Build a small emergency fund, even just $20,000 to stop you from swiping the card again. Credit cards are not the enemy. Lack of knowledge is. If you use them well, they can build your credit score and earn you rewards. But you must follow one rule: pay in full every single month. Treat the credit limit as if it's not your money. If you do this, your card becomes a tool, not a trap. The truth is, credit card debt doesn't destroy people because they are irresponsible. It destroys people because they are uninformed. Society never teaches us how to manage money, but you are learning right now. If this video helped you, please press like. It tells the algorithm this content matters. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson that could save you years of stress. Share this with someone you care about. This one video might be the moment that saves their financial future. Your journey to financial literacy has already begun, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.